Most copywriters are stuck in the freelance trap, chasing individual clients and doing one-off projects and constantly worried about where their next paycheck is coming from. But what if I told you there's a way to turn copywriting into a real business that generates $137,000 per month without you writing a single email? That's exactly what I did by positioning myself as a full stack email marketer instead of just another copywriter. In this video, I'm going to break down my complete business model and how I went from freelancing to running an email marketing agency that manages campaigns for 9 and 12-figure brands like a giant self-development guru who bought his mom an island on Fiji, and Alex Hormozi and Russell Brunson. This isn't just a success story. I'm going to show you the exact systems, the team structure, the revenue streams, and the strategic pivots that transformed a freelance copywriting hustle into a scalable business empire, and we're just getting started. So if you're tired of trading time for money and you want to build something that can run without you, this video will show you exactly how to copy my business model step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have the complete blueprint to stop being a freelancer and start being a business owner. So let's get into it. The problem with the freelance model. Here's the harsh truth about freelancing. You're always one client away from disaster. Even if you're making 10K or 15K per month as a freelancer, you're still trapped because you can't take a vacation without losing income, and you can't get sick, and you can't scale beyond what you personally can handle. I realized this when I was managing email campaigns for multiple 8-figure clients, but still felt like I was on a hamster wheel. That's when I made the decision to stop being a freelancer and start building an actual business. The business model that changed everything. Instead of selling my time, I started selling systems and results. So here's how the $137,000 a month breaks down. Revenue stream 1, done for you email marketing at $45,000 a month. That's 7 high-end clients at $5K to $7K per month each. These are 8 to 9-figure brands who pay premium rates for complete email management. We handle strategy, copy, tech setup, and ongoing optimization. Revenue stream 2, full stack email marketer group coaching program. $80,000 a month. This training program that teaches you everything I know about email marketing. It's a recurring revenue model with ongoing coaching and support, and it turns copywriters into full stack email marketers who can command premium rates. Revenue stream 3, strategic consulting at $1,000 an hour. So this is high-level consulting for brands doing $50 million annually, and with 3 to 6 month engagements focusing on email strategy optimization. This includes premium day rates for strategic guidance. So the systems that make this scalable. This isn't just about making more money, it's about building something that runs without you. So 1, my client acquisition system, inbound leads through content marketing and case studies, referral partnerships with complementary agencies, speaking engagements and industry relationships, and running a personal brand built on proven results. Next is my service deliverability system. So 1, my 17-step email profit formula documented as a repeatable process. Then quality control checkpoints at every stage, and then team training protocols to maintain consistency, and finally client communication workflows. Here's the team structure. I have email strategists who handle client communication, copywriters trained on my exact methods, and technical specialists for automation and delivery. Then I have project managers who ensure deadlines and quality. Except recently I decided to move over to doing it myself and using more virtual assistants. Key pivots that unlocked scale. Pivot 1, I went from selling time to selling results instead of charging hourly or per project. I started charging based on the value I delivered. So when you can prove you'll generate 100K plus in additional email revenue, charging 5K per month becomes easy. Pivot 2, from generalist to specialist. I stopped trying to do all types of marketing and focused exclusively on email. This allowed me to become the go-to expert in this space and charge premium rates. Pivot 3, from solo work to team building. The biggest breakthrough was realizing I needed to train others to think like me. I documented every process and created training systems so my team could deliver the same quality results. Pivot 4, from service provider to educator. I next added the training component and created a second major revenue stream while also building my authority in the space. So what my day-to-day actually looks like now. People always ask what I do since I'm not writing emails anymore. Strategic oversight is about 40% of my time, so high-level business strategy, new partnerships, and major client relationships. Next is team development, 30% of my time, hiring, training, and developing team members. 20% of my time is spent with content creation, so building my personal brand and sharing what's working on videos just like this. Check out my Instagram, X, LinkedIn, and Facebook if you haven't already. Business operations, 10%, so financial management and systems optimization. So I work maybe 30 hours per week and the business generates more revenue than when I was working 60 hours a week as a freelancer. Let that sink in. Here are the mistakes that almost killed my growth, so let me tell you about what didn't work. Mistake number 1, hiring before systematizing almost killed me. I tried to hire people before I had proper training systems, and the result was inconsistent quality that damaged client relationships. Mistake number 2, taking any client with money. I said yes to everyone instead of focusing on ideal clients, and the result was unprofitable accounts and scope creep. Mistake number 3, underpricing my services. I was thinking like a freelancer instead of a business owner, and the result was margins were too thin to support real growth. So here's your roadmap to copy this model. Phase 1, months 1 through 12, master your craft. Become genuinely excellent at email marketing. Land 3 to 5 solid retainer clients at $3K to $5K each, and document every process and system you use. Phase 2, months 12 through 24, build your systems. Create SOPs for everything you do. Hire your first team member and start developing training materials. Phase number 3, months 24 through 36, scale operations. So build a full team of specialists, launch your own training program, and focus on high value clients. Phase number 4, months 36 and onward, optimize and expand. So refine systems for maximum efficiency, explore strategic partnerships, and consider additional revenue streams. And here's the mindset shift that makes this all possible. The biggest change isn't tactical, it's mental. So you have to stop thinking like a freelancer and start thinking like a business owner. Freelancers ask, how can I get more clients? Business owners ask, how can I build systems that serve clients without me? Freelancers compete on price. Business owners compete on results and systems. Freelancers trade time for money. Business owners build assets to generate revenue. So that is exactly how I turned copywriting into a $137,000 a month business, and you can copy this exact model and start today. But here's the reality. Most people will watch this video, get excited, then do nothing. They'll go back to chasing individual clients and staying stuck in the freelancer trap. The difference between people who build successful businesses and people who stay stuck in execution is obviously taking action. And execution requires more than just information. It requires proven systems, ongoing guidance, feedback, and accountability. Trust me, that's exactly what my full stack email marketer program includes. It's not just training, it's the complete blueprint for building your own email marketing business. I show you how to master the skills, systematize your processes, build your team, and scale your operations. Plus, you get access to all my templates, SOPs, and ongoing support, so you can get feedback on your work and know if you're on track or not. So while others are still trading time for money, my students are building real businesses that generate consistent revenue and true freedom. So if you want to stop being a freelancer and start building an actual business around email marketing, click the first link in the description right now, and so you can learn how I can help you follow the same path from wherever you are now to building your own email marketing empire. So click that link and I'll see you on the other side.